guys, it's Emily here at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig-ready Rams, and now we buy your Ram. This is a 2022 Ram 1500 Sport, and it is a rig-ready build, so let's go check it out. Up at the front of this one, it is a night edition, so you get the blacked out grille with your blacked out badging, as well as your smoked out headlights. They are LED headlights and fog lights on this one. Color matched bumper in your Patriot blue color. And then you are going to have your front park sensors all along the front here built in. Sport hood, and then lifting up the hood, you're going to have your 5.7 liter Hemi. Along the side of this one, since it is a rig-ready Ram, you're going to have your 6-inch BDS lift with the upgraded Fox shocks, bushwhacker fender flares, kickback mud flaps, 35-inch Toyo tires, and 20-inch fuel wheels. Coming along the side, you have your flip-up tow mirrors, color matched door handles with the proximity entry as well. 6'4" bed on this one. And then coming into the back, you do have the color matched bumpers once again. All of your blacked out badging because it is a night edition. 4 and 7 pin wiring with your hitch receiver all ready to tow. And then of course your backup camera. Popping this one open, it does have your spray in bed liner right from factory, but now we're going to check out the inside. Up in the front of this one, you do have your black leather seats with the cloth inserts. And they are going to be heated as well. Lots of storage in your center console here. The top of your center console does have a USB charging option in it. You also have your sliding cup holder right here, as well as a place to hold your phone. Below that, you are going to have a 115 volt plug-in. And then of course right here, you're going to have your USBs, USB-Cs, and aux plug-ins. And then dual glove boxes on this one as well. Big 12-inch screen on this one. You can hook up your Alexa to it, which is pretty cool with the new Uconnect 5. Here's where you have access to that rear view camera. If you're hooking up your trailer, you can hit the little plus sign. It's going to zoom directly in. That's super handy. Coming over to your phone, you do, of course, have the option to hook it up for your Bluetooth. This one does come with the navigation. In your comfort, this is where you do have access to your dual climate control, as well as the buttons for your heated seat and your heated steering wheel. Here's where you have access to all of your radio, and then if your phone is hooked up, it will be in there too. And then of course you can split screen it as well. If you don't want to use the screen, you can turn it off with the click of a button, and it'll turn back on as soon as you touch it. Built-in trailer brake control, you have your tow haul mode, and then you do have the option to turn on and off those front and rear park sensors if you're not wanting to use them. Coming over to the steering wheel, it is leather wrapped. It's going to have all of your hands-free controls on it, as well as your cruise controls. Auto headlights on this one, power folding mirrors as well. Coming up here, you do have the Alpine sound system in this one, as well as another charging option, a 12 volt up here. Universal garage door opener, so each of these buttons can be programmed into a different garage door, and that's going to save you clutter from having to carry around a whole bunch of clickers up on your visor. You do have an auto dimming rear view mirror in this one, as well as a power sliding rear window, but now we're going to check out the back seat. The back of this one, it is a crew cab, so you have a ton of legroom here for your passengers. Your passengers also have a ton of charging options. They're going to have a 115 volt, 2 USBs, and 2 USB-Cs just on your center console here, as well as 2 cup holders right here, and 2 more that fold out in your center armrest. Underneath these cloth floor mats, you are going to have these in-floor storage bins, and they actually pop out super easy, just like this, for cleaning. Lifting up your seats, you do have a ton of storage underneath here, which is super nice if you're going to the lake, have any sporting equipment or groceries you want to put back here. If you'd like some more info on this rig-ready Ram, you can click the Shop Now button below for pictures and pricing, or give us a call, 780-942-3629.
I'm Rig Ready Pam, and I approve this message.